As the IT expert in my family, I've taken to secure our digital lives, and that can be complicated for someone that's not technical. What would they do if something happened to me? It's something we all need to think about and prepare for. Let's ensure your family won't face this issue. Life can be unpredictable and challenging. Your online life shouldn't burden your family. We'll create a straightforward plan for access to crucial accounts. This is particularly important now, with 2026 approaching. Today we use various accounts, from crypto wallets to banking apps. Without proper planning, your family may lose access to funds and treasured memories. The emotional and financial impacts can be significant. We want to prevent this situation for you and your family. Many individuals make common mistakes regarding account access. Some depend solely on one password manager without backup access. Others jot down passwords on sticky notes that easily get misplaced. Many ignore useful legacy features offered by their accounts. Some keep account details in their memories or on outdated devices. Using passkeys or hardware keys can complicate recovery processes. Crypto wallets not configured for sharing might become inaccessible forever. Avoiding these pitfalls is crucial for your family's peace of mind. Fortunately, today's tools make planning and security simpler than before. Apple and Google now provide strong legacy contact options. Bitwarden, 1Password, and Proton Pass all offer emergency sharing features. You can designate trusted contacts with time delays for additional security. Services like Dead Man's Switch can notify others after a period of inactivity. Combine tech solutions with legal documents for maximum protection. Let's outline a practical action plan you can start right away. Begin by compiling a full inventory of all your accounts. Include banking, email, crypto, social media, and critical documents. Utilize a secure spreadsheet or your password manager's export option. Select your preferred primary vault method next. Establish emergency access within your password manager. If using Bitwarden, activate the emergency access feature and invite a trusted person. For 1Password or Proton Pass, set up similar sharing options with time delays. Additionally, add legacy contacts in Apple or Google settings. In settings, pick a trusted person and establish recovery steps. Treat passkeys with care for effective management. Ensure recovery codes are safely stored in your password manager. Keep clear instructions for hardware keys, detailing their location and usage. Draft a digital will or a letter of instructions for your accounts. Incorporate account lists, recovery guidelines, and your legal authority documents. Keep it in a secure location and inform your family where to access it. For example, I use an envelope in my safe labeled, "Open this first." Practice the entire process with your trusted contact. Let them go through the recovery steps while you observe. Make it a point to review everything annually or following significant life changes. If your contact isn't tech-savvy, find a knowledgeable friend or family member to assist them. This strategy is effective, even for complicated setups like hardware wallets or crypto. Begin with tools you may already be familiar with. Bitwarden provides excellent free emergency access options. Proton Pass is great for users who prioritize privacy. 1Password also offers great family sharing features. Consult with an estate attorney for a digital asset addendum. Consider services like Dead Man's Switch or Google's Inactive Account Manager for additional security. Always choose options that put you in control of your privacy. For more insights, check my previous videos on password managers and MFA. Having these foundations simplifies legacy planning. Here are some crucial takeaways to keep in mind. First, inventory all your accounts today. Second, set emergency access in your password manager. Third, utilize built-in legacy contacts for major accounts. Fourth, merge tech solutions with essential legal documents. Fifth, conduct annual tests and reviews. Keep your approach simple. Analog is best. Stored in a safe. These steps provide your family peace of mind in tough situations. This plan demonstrates your care for your family's future. If you have already set up access, comment below with your experiences. If you found this helpful, please like the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more guides on cybersecurity. For related content, see the description for links to other videos. Thanks for watching. Stay secure out there.